There's always going to be some days like this where we're going to get wet, no matter what. But we got our ponchos on, both Kathy and I. Say hello, Kathy. And it's going to be muddy, but it's still going to be beautiful. Woohoo! Yes, that's rain. It's a wet, windy, cold day, but it's beautiful. It's all part of the journey. And right now we're on the road, so it's not so bad. The cows don't seem to mind the rain today. They're just cubbing. Oh my gosh, it looks like they're coming up to say hello. Who knows? You never know. Come on, girls. You coming up to say hello? Look at them run. Wow. Them cows. There they go. Bye-bye, girls. It's just one of those days. Wet, cold, windy, shoes are soaked, but that's part of the journey.